For this example, we want to look at the probability of the person shot not being white using the complement, where for this, if we want to find the probability of something other than white from that survey data, we have the total of 4927, with our other options being black or Hispanic or the nebulous and unfortunately defined category of other, which would add up to a probability of 0.493, where we could also find this value in terms of the complement of the event that the person shot was white. Or again, it's important to remember here, it's easy to forget, that statistics do generally come from real things and real places, and here these are real incidents. And we should bear in mind that context can matter, that in this case, we may look at this and say, well, again, the majority of cases involve white people. Even if you add up all the other categories, it still is less. But let's understand that if we think a little bit more demographically, the percentage of people in the United States who identified as white and not Latino on our last census was approximately 60.1%, which, in a way that is kind of horrible to say, would imply that white people are somewhat significantly underrepresented in fatal police shootings. And I will say that there is a great deal more to be discussed on this topic, and a pair of 5-minute long videos on basic statistics aren't the place to find that, but I would encourage you to read up more into this and develop your own thoughts on this issue a bit more. But for now, this is where I will leave you for 4.1. In 4.2, we're going to move on and discuss some more complicated things in terms of how we can get multiple things happening at once.